Alright, we're recording the sewer line here on the 9-7 Newell Street job and 2620 Queen Anne Ave North. The date today is May 11th, 2020. We are wrapped up with the project here on the sewer, and I'm making a final video. So the way we're going to record the video is, due to the length of this entire line, I got to do it in two stretches. This first one is going to be, right now I'm recording this from 9 Newell Street's clean out access on the east side here in the alleyway. I'm about 135 or so feet out from here, right next to 2620 Queen Anne Avenue North's two-way clean out. So I'm going to come back right into the two-way clean out, and then I'm going to pull back to 9 Newell Street's clean out here, and I am going to then pause the video, run over to the two-way clean out, and record the rest of the line. So everything from the two-way clean out back will be on this first part of the video, and then everything from the main back will be on the second part of the video. So we're going to come back here. This is 2620's two-way clean out access. On the left side of the screen you see one part of it, and then coming up here there's the other access point there, and then the tie-in where they just did some laundry or dishes and has got a little soapy through there. So there is the soap and the access there. So that's the two-way clean out access running alongside the back side of their house in the driveway. So we're going to come back now. We're going to look at the Oates new flow installed liner. So when we installed this liner, we left a gap for these cleanouts to continue to function, as well as the tie-in there for whatever that is, laundry, kitchen, etc. Anyway, so coming back through here, we're now coming into our liner. We're going along Newell Street here. A little bit of water. Somebody's running a little water through the line right now. That's okay. We're going to be able to see the line still. So this is all 6-inch new flow cure in place liner we installed. Right here, we're coming into the repair we installed for 7 Newell Street's downspout. Ties in right there on the kind of bottom part of the screen, left side of the pipe. You can see that tie-in. That's where the 7 Newell Street downspout on the side of their house ties into the pipe. We made a repair there. Coming back, we're back into liner again. So 6-inch PVC repair, back into 6-inch liner. See the liner here is the seamless stretch of pipe. Okay, now we're coming back. This is where one second, let me get my bearings here. I'm going to pause the video and go figure out exactly where I'm at here. Okay, so this is where 7 Newell Street's main sewer ties in. They're on the bottom part of the screen. You see somebody in 7 Newell Street's running water there. It's coming out of that tie-in. That was not a Oates installed liner. That was original here. Then we come into, so there's their tie-in. Then we come back into the Oates installed straight piece of pipe here. And now we're in liner, back into liner, coming back towards 9 Newell Street. There's 9 Newell Street's kitchen tie-in right there on the bottom part of the left side of the screen. That's 9 Newell Street's kitchen tie-in. Back through liner again. Okay, so this is coming to the end of the common line. So here is the 6-inch. We're dropping into 6-inch. This was a 4x6. They call it transitional liner. We installed here. This is right at the corner of where 9 Newell Street, where the alley runs down and runs onto Newell Street. So this is going to come back around the corner. There's the 6-inch part coming back into 4-inch. So we're now in a 4-inch liner, and we'll be wrapping around the 90-degree turn right there, and we are now back in 9 Newell Street's side sewer. So this is the personal side sewer for 9 Newell Street. This is no longer the common line. So we're coming back up here alongside the alley now. Okay, here's a downspout connection we redid for 9 Newell Street. So 9 Newell Street got this downspout, new piping to their downspout. And then we did another gap liner here, so the liner lips into both sides of that plastic repair. We're now coming back up towards the clean out, getting pretty close here now. So and there's it lipped into the black plastic pipe that is this clean out here at 9 Newell Street here along the alley. And coming back up out of the clean out access. And there we are. So here's where we started this recording. Was over here at the side here at 9 Newell Street. I'm pausing the recording there. We're going to run around to the two-way access we installed at, or not we installed it, the two-way access over at 2620 Queen Anne Avenue North. So pausing the video, we'll be right back. Alright, we are now recording. I want to show where we're at here. We're at these two-way cleanouts. So one is going to head back towards where we just recorded. The other one is going to go downstream out to the city main. So we're going to run the camera the rest of the way from here out to the city main. And get a look at the remaining portion of this line that we've now totally repaired. So dropping down the clean out here, going to go back into our Bob Oates installed liner. Again, this is where the last video started. So we're now going to go out towards the street. This is again 6-inch liner. And here is our repair we did out near the curb. So we installed a 6-inch Schedule 40 repair out by the curb line here where we excavated a trench in order to line the rest of the part out to the street. So back into liner after that repair. This is the liner now going under the street, Queen Anne Avenue North. Around the corner, that was where the line was broken. We were able to fix that broken section with a liner. So a nice smooth transition past that turn where it was broken when we first started this project. And the city main right there. So this is the city main that's running up and down Queen Anne Avenue North. The liner comes within about 2 inches of that, and you can see the water running down in the main. So line repaired essentially all the way from the 9 Newell Street cleanout access, all the way down the common line, all the way out to the city main. I'm going to come back. I want to show where we reinstated in the liner where 2620's downspouts tie in. So I'm going to start running a little water here down their downspout to show you where that comes in the line. I think I'm sitting on it right now. So give me a half a second. I'm going to go turn the water on and we're going to see where we reinstated that line. Okay, so there at the top part of the screen, you see that water coming in? That is where the downspouts for 2620 tie in. I'm running a hose down the downspout right now. As you can see, the water is coming in, so the downspout is functioning. We had to reinstate a little portion of the liner there to allow continued flow out of that downspout. So that's where the downspout comes in. You see it dripping there, so everything is functioning just as we had it drawn up in the playbook, and that is going to end this part of the video. I'm going to make one more little section of this video where we did a small liner for 7 Newell Street's downspout connection. So I'm going to pause the video one more time here, make a nice long video here. We're going to run around and get a look at 7 Newell Street's downspout connection. Pausing now. All right, continuing the video again here. Now we're at 7 Newell Street, newly installed cleanout access for the downspout line. So downspout line there, coming down into the ground, cleanout access, dropping down into, we installed a short chunk of plastic and then right into a 3-inch liner. This 3-inch liner then comes down, and drops right into our plastic repair down at the common line. So, and then we drop into the common line. So here is your common line. We've already recorded this through this long tedious video here, and coming back through the repair down by the sidewalk. Now we're in 3-inch plastic pipe into 3-inch new flow cure in place pipe liner. Coming back around the bend here, so all 3-inch liner back into our 3-inch repair here at the downspout and back up out of the ground. So there is our access. And wrap up this video. Alrighty, project complete.